Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you have been looking for a way to use one WhatsApp account on two devices with the latest update of WhatsApp, you can do that. So firstly, eject the SIM on your second device, which is the device you are linking your WhatsApp to. So once you eject the SIM, then connect it to the hotspot of the device that you are linking it from. So I've successfully connected to the hotspot. Then once you are done connecting, make sure that your WhatsApp application is updated on your two devices, because if it's not updated you might not be able to see that. So once it's done, then you open the WhatsApp on your second device, which is the device you're linking into. Then click on next, agree and continue. Then from this up, this is where you are supposed to see it. So once you see it, click on the three dotted line, then click on link a device. So you go to the other device. Then when you go to that, then you open the WhatsApp application, then click on the three dotted lines there, then click on link a device. So you click on link a device, so you scan the code to show. So now guys, we successfully linked my WhatsApp account to the second device. So as you can see now, I have one WhatsApp account on two devices. So just how you can just do it. So if you find this video very helpful guys, do not forget to like, share and also subscribe. Thanks for watching.